In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer custom fields. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to configure a custom field so it appears where you need it. Custom fields are perfect for tracking extra details that aren't included by default, like a customer's membership tier, preferred contact window, or an internal reference code. Start by going to the top bar and using the search to look for customers. When you see the customers option, click it to open your customer list. From here, you can either add a custom field while creating a new customer, or you can add one to an existing customer's profile. If you're creating a brand new customer, click New Customer. You'll move through the standard customer creation flow, and you'll be able to include your custom field as part of that setup. If you want to add a custom field to someone who's already in your system, simply click the customer's name in the list to open their profile. Then, look to the top right and click the Edit button. A panel will open. Scroll all the way down in that panel until you see the option to Add Custom Field and click it. Now you're ready to define the field. Start by giving it a clear, descriptive name, something your team will immediately understand at a glance. Next, choose the data type that best fits the information you're collecting. For example, use text for short notes, a number for quantities or IDs, a date for renewals or anniversaries, or a checkbox for yes or no items. Picking the right data type helps with accuracy and reporting down the line. You can also set a category for the field. Categories help keep things organized, especially if you plan to create several custom fields over time. Then, select the forms where you want this field to appear. This ensures the field shows up exactly where it's needed, whether during intake, updates, or internal reviews. If suggestions are available, you can choose a preset that matches your goal. Presets are a quick way to apply a recommended name and data type without starting from scratch. When everything looks good, hit Save. Your custom field is now part of the customer's record and will appear on the forms you selected. If something doesn't look right, you can return to Edit, adjust the field's details, and save again. Keep names consistent, choose data types carefully, and limit fields to what your team truly needs for clarity and speed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a customer custom field and set it up to work where it matters most.